Darren, well, you may think we've had it bad so far, but there is worse to come. Worse with two aspects. Both wind and rain will both come back in again tonight and tomorrow, mostly down the western side and the southern half of the UK. And it's no great surprise. If ever you want to see an autumnal pressure chart, that is it. One big depression covering a great deal of the eastern Atlantic and the North Sea. We're affected by it in both those terms, wind and rain, right until the end of tomorrow. Now, it's been revolving around for about 5 days. It's been picking up quite a sea. So for surfing weather down the southwest approaches, we are forecasting a swell wave in excess of 4 metres, maybe 5 metres. Now, you've got to be pretty expert to go in that. However, there is good news. Between the areas of cloud, one taking its rain to the near continent and another one forming for tonight's nonsense, there is some sunshine. Lovely weather, actually, although you have to stand in the shelter of something to get out of the breeze. But there are big showers coming through, and if you catch one of those, this is what you like to see. This is Plymouth during a big shower. Suddenly the visibility goes, and it's pretty nasty weather. Of course, drivers beware. So this afternoon, those showers are most likely to be in the southwest of England and Wales, Cumbria again still, a little bit to the time in Northern Ireland and still in western Scotland. But there is still some sunshine, as I mentioned, though it's by no means a warm day unless you are sheltered from this pretty brisk wind. But it gets really worse tonight, just a reminder. It's likely to be that the wind picks up to near gale force, or even gale force around the coasts of Wales and something, but even over land you're talking about a very strong wind, and with that, once more, a pile of heavy showers, again, Wales and southern England. It's not so bad, but hardly good, to the north of that. And in fact, tomorrow, although things appear to be improving in England and Wales, is that the winds will become a little less like strong winds. There'll be frequent heavy showers, and then developing through Northern Ireland and the North Sea, stronger winds again, quite possibly touching gale force, concentrating in the afternoon and pushing down towards North Wales, Lancashire, still Cumbria, and taking with them frequent heavy showers. Tuesday is not a nice day, and of course it's going to be colder than today. If you follow the line back, that's a northerly wind. Stand in that at 15 degrees. Doesn't feel much like September. Now, I did say the whole week is going to be autumnal, but it's not all going to be this bad. This is tonight and tomorrow. Thankfully, on Wednesday, it's rather quieter. In fact, the sun should be out. With a lightish wind, even 16 or 17 degrees will feel reasonable. There'll be still a few showers around, I think, probably in East Anglia. But on the whole, think of it as a nice day. However, the air is cold, and there's just a chance from the Midlands northwards of seeing a touch of frost in September. Well, that's basically it. Afterwards, we go back to typical autumnal weather, warming up in the south, rather showery for northern Britain.